Alright, welcome back. This time we're going to work on assignment 3. So I'm going to show you how sometimes assignments are not a Word document but submitted differently. So if we go to assignment 3, what we see here is that we want to write a small summary from your business experience. Notice it's submitting as a text entry box. Now I still recommend putting it in a Word document and then copying and pasting it into here. This may be a timed assignment. A lot of times this is created by instructors if it's a small short answer. In this case it is. So let's pretend that I actually did this on a Word document and I want to submit it. So we'll select everything, Control C, we'll copy it, Control A will select everything, Control C copies. We'll paste it in here. And notice we're in this Word document. Maybe you wanted to put a link in there, a video, whatever you want to do, a TED Talk. You want to change the font. You don't like the way it looks. You don't want it, whatever. You can still edit it anyway within this text box. Comments, I hope this is good. Whatever. And then we're going to go ahead and click Submit the Assignment. I just want to show you because sometimes an instructor will ask you to upload a document and other times you'll have a submittal within a text box. So we go back to submission details. This time notice we don't have an uploaded document. We have what we put into this document on the assignment. Okay, so we can go back. If we want to add a comment, we can, or another comment. Let's say we want to open it. You can have paper text or plain text view. So we go back to our home page. And we're down here to assignment 3. If we click assignment 3 again, notice it shows it's already been submitted. So we go ahead and we know that that's been submitted. Again, we check our grades because we just submitted something before. And notice we have submitted 2. It hasn't been graded yet. And we submitted this assignment 3. So it's showing you these have been submitted. We did make comments on them, but it hasn't been graded yet. Once it's graded, it will then populate into the grade Canvas view. The last one will be your Canvas review quiz, and once you submit that, you'll have your final grade for the course. So again, we want to go to your home page. First thing you want to do is when you log in is check your announcements to make sure there's nothing new on the announcements. Here we still don't have any announcements, nothing new. We go to our home page and we click through what we've already have done. Now we've done this assignment 3. This is the video showing you how to do assignment 3, and now we're going to move into the final section with our Canvas review video, which will be the last one, and then we'll have our quiz. All right, thanks again, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at any time.